So in this video I'll be using the Mini 5 Pro, using the RC2 controller. As you can see, I'm back at my favourite place. Now this place is a maze, and you can quite easily get lost in there. You can see all these different levels. Now I'm going to try and go up as high as I can, and we're going to see if the Mini 5 Pro can cope with all this concrete. And we'll be trying out, obviously, the Advanced Return to Home. Now, I think personally, it should do it, but you just don't know. That's why I love doing these tests. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it don't. Anyway, I've got to get on, because there's still a bit more walking to do, as you can see, with the different levels. Okay, everything's set up, the drone's already done. I'll just show you the settings first. So I've got it on Sin mode for the speed, because I want it to go nice and slowly. I'm already picking up satellites, because I don't know if you can see, but I've got a big opening there. I haven't seen anything about the home point yet. Okay, so I'm going to put it onto bypass, and I'm going to put it onto, I'll just read, right, I'm going to keep it on normal on this one. Okay, I'm going to put the video on, because I always have this tendency to keep forgetting about putting the video on. So let's get on with it. This could be a bit of a long flight, because I've got a few obstacles to do. Okay, so I'm just going to fly it forward first. Right, what I've got to do now, I have to drop the gimbal down, because I need to go through like 2 levels. Right, so let's bring it over a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just going to drop that down now. Now, as you can see, I have to be careful of that other level, which means you've got to come over to this direction. Right, I don't want to be too close to that wall, as you can see. Okay. Now obviously it's going to be pretty difficult working out the heights, because I'm on different levels. Right, and we've still got no satellites in there, obviously. Okay, so we're going down. This is where I class as my tricky bit, because it's this turning, and it looks pretty dark there for some reason. Alright. Okay, so past that bit, if I turn the drone now, I've got some flies. I'll be honest, this doesn't look like the area that I fly in. It looks a little bit different to me. Oh no, I'll see what it is. I think I'm just a little bit too high. Right, and I'm quite close to that wall, so I need to come over. Yeah. Now that's why I got that vision assist in the bottom left-hand corner. Right, now if I turn the drone now, I should be all right. See, just not enough. Right, just going to go forward a bit more. Okay. Still showing I'm quite close to that wall. I don't know why, it didn't look like I'm close to that wall. Okay. Right. Okay, it looks just... Okay, it's still sort of saying I'm talking to myself, aren't I? It's the concentration that's going on here. Right. I can see that cable hanging down as well. It's always annoying me. Because what I don't want to do... Right. I'm just going to drop the drone down. I'm just going to drop my gimbal down a minute. Okay, so we're all right there. Let's just bring it over a bit. Let's go forward. Right, let's turn it now. Right, now obviously looking at that, I'm pretty high. Right. Right, it looks like it won't let me go down any further. What is that then? Oh, because I was using the wrong one, Shaun. Come on. Well, let's put that gimbal up a bit. Right. Let's come down a little bit more. Right, now I should be able to maneuver myself out through here. Right, you can see the cables, can't you? I don't want to go under the cables this time. I'm just going to go over to the field this direction. Yeah. Okay, so off we go. I'm just going to send it out. It's saying, oh yeah, no satellite position, even though we've got 14 satellites. Anyway, this is it. Let's see what happens, because this will be interesting. I'm sure it'll do it. The Mini 5 Pro has always been an amazing drone on these return to homes. And you can see the route already up against that wall there, can't you? Right, so it's probably going to come up with complex environment in a minute. Complex environment. Yeah. So I just got to make sure. During RTH. I mean, I should know what C2 button is, but anyway, I always like double checking. All right, it's coming in. And what I love about this, I call it the green line. I think they call it the AR line. It's just amazing, and I think it's a fantastic bit of work from DJI to do that, because that's amazing. And it's always been a problem for me getting it too close to that wall on the right hand side, as you can see. But at the moment it's doing well. I won't see nothing yet. I won't see nothing yet. I'll be able to see. I can hear it. I can hear it. Got no satellites. As you can see, got no satellite position. To me, it's just, right, I should be able to see that soon, and I can see already the path it's going to go. I can see the drone now. And it's quite close to the wall that it's going to come up, well, the opening as it comes up. So that'll be interesting to see how it's going to maneuver itself just over a little bit. You can see already, yeah, I've just seen it. I've just seen it. It just blows me away. I do love making these sorts of videos, and this one, there he is. Well done. I haven't got names for my drones other than it's a Mini 5 Pro. It's going to turn itself around. Will it land right on the H? Nearly. I would say that's probably an inch off. Right, I'm going to shut everything down and we'll have a quick chat. No, Mini 5 Pro. No, I mean, I said at the beginning, I knew this was going to do it, but obviously you never know when you're doing these tests. bad enough trying to fold this up. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. I had a few people asking me about it, can you show the Mini 5 Pro? I haven't been doing it mainly because that Lito X1, that's been blowing myself away. Now I could have done that with a Lito X1, I reckon. But anyway, I've done enough tests here now, I think. I'm going to move on to another area. But as always, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. That's the main thing. Yeah, drop your comments below. Always great to hear from you. And if you've got any videos you want me to try out, I will try. I've got a long list. Some people a little bit impatient. I can only do so much a week. But anyway, as always, we'll catch you on the other video. Bye. Sooner!